Welcome to our channel. Are you in the market for a new car but feeling overwhelmed by the process? Well, fear not. In today's video, we'll share with you the ultimate car buying checklist. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools and knowledge you need to make the best car purchase decision. So, let's get started. How to buy a car. The ultimate car buying checklist. Section 1. Researching your options. Before diving into the car buying process, it's crucial to conduct thorough research. Start by identifying your needs and preferences. Consider factors like budget, lifestyle, and features you require in a car. Determine whether you need a new or used car, and make a list of potential models that fit your criteria. Research online, read reviews, and compare prices to narrow down your choices. Section 2. Setting your budget. Establishing a budget is a critical step when buying a car. Take into account not only the purchase price but also additional expenses like insurance, maintenance, and fuel costs. Set a realistic budget that aligns with your financial situation and stick to it. Remember to consider financing options if needed and calculate monthly payments to ensure they fit comfortably within your budget. Section 3. Financing and pre-approval. If you require financing, start exploring your options early. Research different lenders, compare interest rates, and loan terms. Getting pre-approved for a car loan can provide you with a clear idea of your budget and streamline the buying process. Gather necessary documents like proof of income and identification to speed up the loan application process. Section 4. Test drives. Once you've narrowed down your choices, it's time for test drives. Schedule appointments with dealerships or private sellers to experience the cars firsthand. Pay attention to factors like comfort, handling, and performance. Test drive multiple vehicles to make accurate comparisons and take notes on each one to help you make an informed decision later. Section 5. Vehicle history and inspection. Before finalizing a purchase, always conduct a thorough inspection and review the vehicle's history. For used cars, obtain a vehicle history report to check for any past accidents, damages, or maintenance issues. Hire a trusted mechanic to perform a comprehensive inspection, ensuring there are no hidden problems. A clean history and a positive inspection report are vital to your peace of mind. Section 6. Negotiating the deal. Negotiating the price is a crucial step in buying a car. Research the market value of the vehicle you're interested in and be prepared to negotiate. Start by making an initial offer based on your research and budget. Be confident, but also willing to walk away if the deal doesn't meet your expectations. Remember, there are always other cars and sellers out there. Section 7. Finalizing the purchase. Congratulations! You've reached the final stages of the car buying process. Now it's time to finalize the purchase. Review all the paperwork carefully, including the sales contract, warranty information, and any additional documents related to the transaction. Ensure that everything is accurate and matches the agreed-upon terms. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to ask for clarification. Before signing the paperwork, consider whether you need any additional add-ons or services such as extended warranties, maintenance packages, or insurance options. Evaluate the costs and benefits of each add-on and decide whether they align with your needs and budget. Remember, you have the right to decline any extras that you don't find necessary. Once you're satisfied with the terms and have completed all the necessary paperwork, it's time to make the payment. You can choose to pay in cash, use financing options, or arrange for a certified check or bank transfer. Ensure that you receive a receipt for the payment and keep all the documents in a safe place for future reference. Section 8. Taking delivery. The moment has finally arrived. It's time to take delivery of your new car. Before driving off, inspect the vehicle one last time to ensure it matches your expectations and that there are no damages or issues. Familiarize yourself with the car's features and controls, and ask the salesperson to walk you through any specific instructions or functions. Don't forget to obtain all the necessary documents, including the title, registration, and insurance information. Ensure that the registration is transferred into your name, and update your insurance policy accordingly. Taking care of these details promptly will save you from any potential legal or financial complications down the road. Conclusion. And there you have it, the ultimate car buying checklist. By following these steps, you'll be well prepared and confident throughout the car buying process. Remember, research, budgeting, and negotiation are key factors in making a smart purchase decision. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.